everyone, it's me guys, and there's a really bad storm out here. And by the way guys, we're in Arizona. So if you guys can know in the news, if you guys live in Arizona, well, things are gonna be okay. It looks really bad. Doesn't look that bad, but right now like it looks really bad. Oh gosh. So yeah guys, I'm kind of scared because I don't know what's gonna happen. I hope it kind of ends now. I want it to end soon. Well, I also want it to end now because it looks really bad, like so bad, guys. And yeah. Oh gosh. And a car just passed it. Cars are like rushing to get home now because like really bad. This storm's actually really bad. It's not a little bit. It doesn't look like it's gonna be that much, but yeah, I just wanted to remind you guys this thing. Yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video, guys, so you guys don't panic. And yeah, guys, my battery was run out. So guys, thank you guys for watching this video, guys. If you did enjoy, guys, please subscribe, leave a like. I don't know if you guys enjoy this. I was just showing you guys that there is a really bad storm, a dust storm right now. So bye.